This is my inexpensive Pyramex welding helmet. It's kind of freaky looking. This week I had a noticeable problem with it. The battery went dead. So now I gotta figure out how to take this out of here. I don't know anything about welding helmets, but I do know they're great at saving your eyeballs, but I'm not sure how the hell to... Oh, look at that. Oh, isn't that cool? I don't know if no shit. Look at that. This is the bomb.com. How do I get the battery out? Question is, low battery. How does one take the goddamn battery out? I don't want to get that dirty. Dun, 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 dun. Miniature screwdriver. So I take the battery out. Mini screwdriver. Or do I gotta take this out of here now? Pop this out of the frame, maybe. Ah, there we go. Look at that. Can't even see what I'm doing. Hold on. Alright, let's start this over. Take two. Start this over. I have to take the battery out of here because it's apparently got a low battery. Pyramex, model number WRAM30. It wasn't cheap because I wasn't gonna buy a super cheap one, and it wasn't like ultimately crazy expensive. So, I mean, I wasn't gonna buy a $59 welding helmet, that's for sure. Oh, it's a CR2450 lithium battery. So let's go to oil in here. I'm gonna take a picture of the battery because I need. So it takes one of these batteries. One of those little suckers. Lithium. There's lithium in here. I gotta find a place to, what do you call it? Recycle it. Now, how the hell did this go in here? I think it went this way. Yeah. No. Went this way. I do not want to get that dirty. That looks like a pain in my ass to clean. Looks like a pain in my ass to clean. Whole thing looks like a pain in the ass. Anyway, that wasn't too hard. Now I gotta put this. It's pretty cool. I'm not a, what do you call it? Not a welding expert. What do you call it? Not a super crazy, like, know everything welder. I know what I know. I know enough to weld basic shit, and that's it. And I know enough to know that welding helmets are awesome. They keep your eyes from going crazy, and hey, I know enough to say you don't buy a $29 welding helmet or those stupid ass. I don't know if anybody's seen those ridiculous goggles they sell online that are they're just glasses and they're for welding. They just cover your face, and everybody's like, yeah, they work great. They're all kinds of like cool things. The only problem is they only cover your eyeballs, so it's like, what about the rest of your face? I guess you gotta wear Nomex or something. It's just stupid because it's like, yeah, the shield covers your whole head, so one, you don't get sparks, and well, I see with TIG welding, it won't be too many sparks. But if you were like MIG welding with them, you're definitely gonna get a sunburn on your forehead and your chin. So anyway, that's it for that little video. That was pretty much a letdown. Like, subscribe, check all the people on the bottom. Thanks for watching.